Want to add a sweet twist to your Red Ribbon Week art? This easy ribbon heart drawing is fun, meaningful, and perfect for celebrating healthy choices, kindness, or even Valentine's Day. Grab your pencil, let's draw a heart that makes a statement. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. For this project, you'll need a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, thin black marker, and just a red crayon. Look for a link to a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. Let's begin by drawing the actual heart shape that this ribbon creates. Start with 2 dots, and then draw the right side of the heart that's kind of pointy near the top where the curve is going to happen. Then draw the same kind of pointy heart shape on the left side. Afterwards, add a line at the top of the heart. Start a curve that goes up and comes down pretty close to that pointy part in the heart. Then continue that curved line down so the ribbon becomes wider and ends near the bottom left side of the paper. To finish that end of the ribbon, draw the other side and the flat bottom. To draw the left side, start the curve that goes up and comes down pretty close to the point in that heart. Then continue that line down so the ribbon becomes a little wider near the bottom. Finally, keeping an eye that things are lining up, finish with the other end of the ribbon. Now, all it takes to make that ribbon look like it's twisting is a little line like this on the left side and a connecting line like that on the right side. Okay, our drawing is done, so now get out a black marker and carefully trace all of those lines you just drew. Here's how I colored in my ribbon to get that shaded effect. I started with red and filled in everything with a medium kind of pressure. Then you need to come back and press extra hard in a few key places to get some really bright red. I'm doing that in the top corner, trying to make it blend into my medium shade of red. I'm also trying to create that same effect on the bottom right end of the ribbon, because if it was curled up a little bit, it would be a little darker in that area. The left side of the ribbon needs some shading too, so you can add some extra red above and below where it appears to kind of twist. Then just a little more red to the right side of that fold at the top kind of finishes things off. Okay, here's one more look at my finished red ribbon drawing. I hope you learned how lines and shadow really can work together to make things look 3D. Hey, if you enjoyed this lesson, then check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, where you'll find more tutorials, including one for a remembrance ribbon and one for how to draw a bow. I hope you give those a try too, and I hope you keep on drawing. See you next time.